Every day, thousands of massive cargo ships move across oceans, carrying everything from electronics to clothing to raw materials. Nearly everything used in modern life travels through this system at some point. But most people never see it, the global shipping system. At first glance, international trade seems simple. A product is manufactured in one country, it appears on a store shelf in another, but between those 2 points lies one of the most complex logistics networks ever built: ports, cargo ships, containers, rail lines, and distribution centers. This is where the system begins. Modern shipping relies on standardized containers, steel boxes designed to be moved seamlessly between ships, trucks, and trains. This standardization transformed global trade. Before containers, goods were loaded manually in different shapes and sizes. That process was slow and inefficient. Containers changed everything. Products are packed once and then moved across the world without being unpacked until they reach their destination. This reduced time, cost, and damage. But containers alone are not enough. The real system appears at ports. Massive cranes lift containers from ships and place them onto trucks or trains. Operations run continuously. Ships arrive, unload, reload, and depart on tight schedules. Timing is critical. Delays at one port can ripple across global supply chains. That was only the beginning. The real advantage appears in scale. Modern cargo ships can carry tens of thousands of containers on a single voyage. This scale reduces the cost of transporting each unit. The more goods moved per trip, the lower the cost per item. This efficiency made global trade economically viable at massive scale. But the system extends beyond ships and ports. Once containers arrive at a port, they enter inland logistics networks. Trucks and trains move goods to warehouses and distribution centers. From there, products are sorted and delivered to retailers or directly to customers. This creates a continuous flow of goods: ocean, port, rail, warehouse, retail. Each step must connect seamlessly. But coordination is complex. Shipping schedules, port capacity, customs processes, and transportation networks must align. A disruption in one part of the system can affect multiple industries. Weather events, congestion, or operational delays can slow the movement of goods. This is where visibility becomes critical. Tracking systems monitor containers as they move through the network. Companies use data to coordinate shipments and adjust routes when necessary. Technology helps manage the scale of global logistics. Yet challenges continue evolving. Global trade volumes fluctuate. Supply chains must adapt to changing demand. Infrastructure requires constant investment. Ports expand capacity. Shipping companies build larger vessels. Logistics networks become more integrated. Even so, the core system remains remarkably consistent. Standardized containers, global shipping routes, port operations, and inland logistics networks. From the outside, products appear instantly on store shelves. But behind that availability lies a hidden system moving goods across continents, a network connecting manufacturers, ports, and markets, a flow of containers crossing oceans every day, and a logistics infrastructure supporting global commerce. Modern economies depend on trade, and trade depends on shipping, a system operating continuously, often unnoticed, yet essential to how the world works.